Hello and welcome. So this is a new tutorial to how you can remove your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad. So if you try to sign out, then there is asking for password, but if you forget your password, then you can do it easily. So first you have to check, you click the iCloud option, and if you see there have some backup on your iCloud, then this is the first requirement you need. So if there is show, then you go here and open the game center. If you open the game center and there is not asking the password, that's mean you are eligible to remove the Apple ID from this device. But if there is asking for password, then it's no way to remove. Alright, so now we check, there is iOS 17.4, so latest iOS is supported this method, and this is not the proxy method. Proxy method is not work for latest iOS 17. So now I just connect the USB cable because we need computer. You have to do all the next process within 5 to 10 minutes, otherwise the token will be expired. So now open 3utools and click backup and restore. Now click manage password and set a password. So I write 1234. Again you write 1234 and set password. Okay. Now you open your phone and go to iCloud again and click iCloud, show all, and open the game center on and off 3 or 4 times. So this is very important part of the video. You have to must turn on and off the game center 2-3 times, and then you must have to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on the aeroplane mode. Okay, now you click backup option. So you must have to put your password again, 1234 I was set it, and click OK. So before backup you must have to turn on and off the game center 2-3 times, then you click the backup option. Okay, and before backup you must turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on the aeroplane mode to better work. Okay, so here it takes some time, it's depend on how much backup you have. So I recommend you delete your photos and videos before backup, so it will be smaller backup size. So it's 3 point something for me, and it's take 2-3 times to complete the backup. So we are just waiting here. Okay, so all data is backed up. Now I just close it and close the 3utools, and now I open Elcomo software, Elcomo phone breaker. So now you have to click explore keychain, and then click choose and select the file which was backup right now. So it's in document folder, then open the folder, open again and scroll down below and select this file and choose. Now you put your password again, which was 1234, and click explore, and there is take few minutes here. Now you click this last option, select here and export data, select categories, all categories, then select this file on document folder. Don't rename or don't do something, just save it on the document. And now close it and open the LU open menu tool. It's opening. Okay, so it's open, and now you just simply click the remove button. No need to do anything, just click the remove button and wait a moment. It's success. There is showing the success code is 200, that's mean it's remove, and removed success. Now click OK and copy the serial number, and we ensure again to check another website. So we open iFree iCloud FMI check. So iFree FMI check, when you search on Google, then this page is appears, and click here. And now paste the serial number click the search button and fill up the captcha. Click verify. Okay, so find my device is off. So don't turn on your Wi-Fi before it is. When you see it's off, then don't turn on your Wi-Fi. Please don't turn on. I again say. So now open the 3U tools and go to toolbox. Here is the toolbox and click erase all data and erase all data and select the tick mark and erase all, and it will be erasing. So there is taking some time, so I just take it faster to skip the time, and normally it's take 3-4 minutes to erasing properly, so you have to wait 3-4 times here. Okay, so everything is done, it's removed. Now we just wait to restoring the phone. Okay, so the phone is now open and there is showing its iCloud lock, but it's no worries. There, when I swipe it, it will be gone. Now we just set up it. Setup process is very easy. I think everybody can do it easily. Okay, so data and privacy menu comes. That's mean our iCloud is removed. There is not asking our iCloud password, ID or password. That's mean it's removed properly. Now we just set up it. The next part. Okay, so it's removed and we just check again the serial number. Okay, go to general, about, and this is the serial number and iOS version you see. So everything is worked properly. So you can try this way and you see iCloud status is off on the 3U tools.